Did you know that you can also use PaperLess to automatically process, manage and store all your non-accounting archive? Did you know that with PaperLess you can create your own folders and search fields for non-accounting documents, set up access restrictions at folder and document level, and send non-accounting documents for approval? Yes, that's right. In this video, we will give you a brief overview on how you can use PaperLess to automatically manage, process, and store all your accounting and non-accounting documents. We will also show you how you can take the automation even further by having PaperLess automatically processing and archiving batches on non-accounting documents. Once saved in PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive, your team can have access to all non-accounting documents from wherever they are. All that is required is an internet connection. In this example, we will show you how easy it is to store all your bank statements and contracts in PaperLess. Have in mind that this is just a very simple example, since you can set up PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive to the needs of your business and to the type of documents that you need to archive. In the first example, we will be storing a contract, so we can just open the non-accounting archive of PaperLess, select the folder Contracts, and type in the contract details so that afterwards we can easily retrieve the document. To save the document, just type in the accounting year, period, description, supplier name, and we will also include the contract start and end date. This will allow us to take a report where we can see all contracts with the start and end date. Then all we need to do is to click Save and Close. The document has now been saved in the PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive area. We will now do the same with this bank statement. For that, just open PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive, select the relevant folder and type in the details. Then just hit Save and Close, and this bank statement has also been saved within your non-accounting archive. With PaperLess, retrieving non-accounting documents literally takes only a couple of seconds. All we need to do is to go to the non-accounting archive area and choose the relevant folder. In this example, let's say we only want to view My Contracts with PaperLess on the description. Just type in the data in the field Description, and now PaperLess is listed all contracts that match your criteria. If we want, we can filter the information even further. As an example, let's apply a second filter and select the accounting year 2024. You can see that now only one contract is shown because it is the only document that matches the search criteria we have input. Let's say we now want to view the bank statement that we have just saved. In order to do that, simply select the corresponding folder, type in the bank name, and as you can see, PaperLess gives you easy access to all your bank statements from Chase. For customers processing large volumes of non-accounting documents, PaperLess gives them the possibility to use the OCR technology to automatically process those documents. This way, instead of having to manually key in the data, you can have PaperLess automatically capturing the data from your non-accounting documents and automatically archiving them in the non-accounting archive. As an example, let's bring in a batch of proof of deliveries and select the option Recognize and Archive. We have previously set up PaperLess to read the required fields, so PaperLess is now reading those fields, and if it finds all the data, it will automatically store them. As you can see, the documents are no longer visible in the inbox because since all required data was successfully captured, PaperLess automatically archived them in the PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive. To retrieve them, we just need to go to our non-accounting archive, and in the proof of deliveries, we can find all the documents. Since we have the sales order number, PaperLess also automatically attaches the proof of delivery to the corresponding sales order in Sage. Let's go into Sage and open our sales order. Let's go into Sage and open our sales orders. If you do the lookup, you can see that directly from within the sales order in Sage, you also have access to the delivery node. The recognition of non-accounting documents can be used to automatically process any type of non-accounting documents you need to manage, process and store. Another typical example would be to automatically process documentation that support the PO raised in Sage. Again, just bring in the documents to PaperLess, run the recognition of non-accounting documents, and as you can see, PaperLess automatically captured data from all these documents. Like with the documents supporting the sales orders, the documents supporting the purchase order can be accessed directly from within PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive, or alternatively, since PaperLess captured the purchase order number, the document was also automatically attached to the corresponding purchase order in Sage. This is a very brief overview of PaperLess Non-Accounting Archive. With this powerful module of Paperless, you can also send non-accounting documents for approval, create your own tree of documents, your own search fields, and set up restriction levels at folder or document level so that you have full control over who has access to your documents. In order to learn more, visit www.paperlesseurope.com to book your free online demo and learn more about how to manage, process, and store non-accounting documents with paperless software.